Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of FPV drones with the DJI FPV Controller 2, hailed as the best companion for the DJI FPV drone. Let's explore why this controller stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk connectivity. The DJI FPV Controller 2 seamlessly syncs with the DJI FPV Air unit and goggles, ensuring instant takeoff and a hassle-free flying experience. No more waiting around for connections or dealing with complicated setup processes. With a control range of up to 6 kilometers, you'll have the freedom to explore far and wide without losing connection. Whether you're capturing breathtaking aerial shots or pushing the limits with high-speed maneuvers, this controller keeps you in command every step of the way. Now, let's talk comfort. The DJI FPV Controller 2 is ergonomically designed for extended use. Featuring an adjustable joystick and a comfortable grip that feels like an extension of your hand. Say goodbye to hand fatigue during those marathon flying sessions. But what sets this controller apart is its closed-loop software. Pilots have the power to remotely adjust drone and camera parameters, enhancing stability and reducing errors mid-flight. It's like having a virtual co-pilot by your side, ensuring smooth sailing even in challenging conditions. From the seamless connectivity to the ergonomic design and powerful software capabilities, the DJI FPV Controller 2 delivers an unrivaled flying experience for drone enthusiasts of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just getting started, this controller is your ticket to unlocking the full potential of FPV flight. That's a wrap for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. Until next time, happy flying!